go again. I'm gonna do that now.
Who's that for?
One, two.
What kind of fish are they?
Alcohol.
Oscars?
Yeah.
What kind of, what's that white one?
Definitely.
Oh, you just ate one. Looks like they're hungry, huh? What's your name?
Dylan.
And what kind of food are you feeding?
And Tycho Oscars.
What kind of food are you eating?
Sticky gold.
Yep, and you're gonna feed them.
Yep.
Go ahead, buddy. Here's the Percy. Hand it to him. Oh, hand it to him. Hand it to him, honey. He's big, isn't he?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Hand feed him. It'll be nice. You don't want to bite you. It's okay. Go ahead, give it, Percy.
No, Duffy. No.
Do you like your Oscars?
Yeah.
Where's your Picassonuses?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Daddy can't bring it over there. The battery's not charged all the way.
Oh,
There he comes.
baby one.
There's one of them. Feed him some more, buddy. Yep. Two more. Two more. 1, 2. Yep. Put your finger up there. Hold one up there so the person can get it. So why don't you go over there? No, stay over here. Stay over here. Feed him, honey. Hey, buddy. Dylan, you like your Oscars?
Yeah.
How old are they? How old are they? 7 what? 8?
Yeah.
8 what? 8 what? 8 months old?
Yeah.
One of them, the other one's 6? Let's see.